Although it may be extremely difficult, be honest and upfront with everyone from the beginning of the divorce process. This means be reasonable, be cooperative, and don't be untruthful. In situations where you do not believe you can cooperate for a good reason, talk with your attorney about what to do. Think about your health and your well-being. From time to time, do something just for yourself nice, like a walk, a day off from work, plan an activity, perhaps a golf date, visit a museum, or even just sit and read a book to take your mind off of things. Become as knowledgeable as you can about the divorce process. The more you know, the better questions you can ask, and the surprises will be fewer. Make sure you are aware of your financial situation and have all the necessary documents handy. If there's something out of line, an unpaid credit card, for example, do everything you can to get your financial affairs in order. Don't keep bills in both of your names, as this can wind up costing you considerably. Document, document, document everything that happens. This is your mantra in the divorce process. It will save you many headaches. If there are children, remember to spend quality time with the kids. They are not getting a divorce, and they really need the attention of both parents as to what is likely a very upsetting time for them. Realize that you need a lawyer, and it should be a different one from your spouse. Divorce don'ts. Don't be negative about your soon-to-be former spouse in front of your children. This can be difficult, especially when your ex disappoints the children, but try to be a better person and hold your tongue. Don't destroy evidence. This goes back to being truthful, and it can get you into a lot of trouble if your actions are discovered. Don't give up hope for the future. Don't get involved in a rebound relationship. This could be used against you, especially in a child custody battle. Don't try to stop children from seeing their parents. If you are truly afraid for their safety, talk to your lawyer about what to do. Follow the rules of the court. If you don't think that you can do that, talk to your lawyer. You may still have to do what the court asks, but your attorney may have some other ideas. Forget about all the things you plan to make your former spouse look like a jerk. You may be the one ending up looking immature. Don't get greedy. Be smart and savvy during this time. Call me. I'm Andrea Larsen. I can help you with any of these needs. However, I am not an attorney, and you will need an attorney for the law facts. I can help you if you're selling your house and you need help on buying a house or what you're doing in the middle of all of that.